Ki khubor ka Batesi TV.
Ka umdi basnyambak penjaslian. Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Sophistication meets style. The stylish trendsetter Tata Curve SUV is in town. India's first coupe SUV is now in Shillong. Net Foodish. Ordar mapi, minwan ramangi hakerdob ying jongpi.
Kan Ngut ki pulit Constable, pesan Ngut ki follower, kila Shah pen kuburam, hadian bagi lala men pendam, ia ka jing Shah hikai Pyntbit, haka training center, jongka food, MLP battalion, kabadan haka shnong Sohpian, West Khasi Hills District. Haka ringis ngila sakilang do Deputy Commissioner, jongka West Khasi Hills District, ubak Garut LSN Dykes, ka Deputy Inspector, General of Police, DAP, ka Kong Claudia A. Lingwa, u Superintendent of Police, jongka West Khasi Hills, ubak BD Marang, u Commandant jongka food, MLP battalion, u Rupam R Marang, bagi pulit officer lembak ki bahayeng jong kini ki pulit ki bala pendap ya ka jing Shah hikai Pyntbit.
मैं ईश्वर को साक्षी रखकर प्रतिज्ञा करता हूँ कि मैं भारत के संविधान और कानून के नीचे वफादारी से रहूंगा। अन्य भारतवासियों के साथ मिलकर रहूंगा। मेरी अधिकारी मुझे जो हुक्म देंगे ईमानदारी के साथ पालन करूंगा और मेघालय पुलिस के नाम को हमेशा ऊंचा रखूंगा। ईश्वर मेरे मदद करे।
Shantuli flag march symbolizes the bravery, valor, commitment to mission, integrity and excellence of the police force. The Shantuli is led by ABSI Franklin Malngian and a group of flag bearers and rifle personnel of our very own Women Police Battalion Constable of 4th Battalion.
Whether a group of 5 contingents or a group of 1 contingent, people and recruit constables who join will always have to undergo the same kind of training, the same kind of drill, the same kind of teaching. And that is the reason that we decided from police headquarters, Director General of Police was very keen that this passing out parade should take place. The boys who have passed out today have to display their capability in the marching, in the salute. We take a man from the street, literally from the background that they have come out, who are just normal civilians. And in the 9 months that of training that is being conducted in our training center, we turn them into the most perfect policemen and women. And for that, I will congratulate the commandant, the assistant commandant training, though I heard that Moksha is wearing a lot of hats, but still one of the hats, which is the training hat, he has done a very successful job. I also congratulate the trainees who have excelled themselves in these 9 months of rigorous training. My request is that you have maintained such good discipline, you have kept yourself fit, you look very fit. Please continue to be in this state of fitness. In the police, all of us have to be, we have to keep fit. I try to keep fit. I try to keep fit because as long as I'm wearing this khaki, I want to look fit. And I should not overlook, because fitness and health is the key factor to become a good policeman and a good policewoman. Because the requirement of the state in any situation, whether it's law and order, whether it's controlling traffic in the street, whether it's any other program, the police will always be called to service, and that kind of discipline that you have learned here, you should continue to learn the same discipline.
Ladies and gentlemen, the diction parade or passing up parade is led by Parade Commander Constable Shah of 1st Battalion MLP Mauyong. The section commander of section number 1 is led by Constable Balsam CH Maram of 2nd Battalion MLP Gueragre. And the section commander of section number 2 is led by Constable Elias B. Sangma of South Garo Hills District Executive Post. This is the band platoon from 1st Battalion Battalion Police Mauyong, led by Bandmaster ADSI Thomas C.H. Sangma.